Why do most of robot vacuum parts you buy come from China? Why are third-party parts so affordable? Listen up. First, China has unmatched industrial clusters that fully integrate supply chains. From raw materials to assembly, everything might happen in one industrial park. Plus, with advanced export logistics, products ship worldwide at top speed. Second, Chinese factories focus on streamlining production while comprising costs on the basis of optimizing process and ensuring quality. They combine automation with manual labor to handle diverse demands flexibly. Third, the market is hyper-competitive. For example, on Alibaba International, hundreds of suppliers compete fiercely, driving price down. Third-party factories push hard on quality, design, and service, breaking original manufacturers' monopolies while adding more features. techTongBo, with 11 years of experience, production high-quality, lower-cost parts at base in Chuzhou and Suzhou. Fourth, supportive government policies and solid infrastructure, things like subsidies and export tax rebate help. High-speed rail and efficient ports make logistics smooth, and the huge domestic market lets companies test products quickly and reduce risk. In summary, the low price comes from combined strengths in supply chains, production, competition, and policies. But in today's fast market, quality and service are key to long-term success. techTongBo will keep growing, providing great productions and service to customers worldwide.